Getting AI to understand specific aesthetics like genuine film grain or exact fashion eras is usually a struggle. You often end up with images that just look generated. Today, we are looking at a brand new release on the Higgsfield platform called Higgsfield Soul 2.0. This is their new foundation image model, but unlike general-purpose generators, it's built specifically for creative, fashion-aware, and culture-native image generation. For those of you who might not be familiar with it yet, Higgsfield is essentially a comprehensive creative ecosystem. Instead of jumping between different websites and subscriptions, it brings the leading image and video generation models into one single workspace. But it goes beyond just generation. If you look at the top navigation bar, they have a full suite of built-in tools, including video, edit, character consistency, cinema studio, and even AI influencer features. It's a complete platform built around the actual creator workflow. I will leave the direct links to both the Higgsfield platform and the new Soul 2.0 model down in the description, as well as pinned in the comments, so you can easily check it out for yourself. All right, let's jump straight into the platform and see how this actually works. When you are on the Higgsfield homepage, simply hover over the Image tab in the top navigation bar. You'll see a drop-down menu with different tools and models. Go ahead and select Higgsfield Soul 2.0 from the list. This brings you to the Soul 2.0 workspace. The interface is incredibly clean and minimal. Everything you need is located in the main control bar at the bottom. Here, you have your text input box where it says, "Describe the scene you imagine," along with your core settings like model selection, aspect ratio, resolution, color transfer, and your preset and character menus. Let's set up our first generation. I'm going to adjust the aspect ratio to 1:1 for a perfect square, and I'll make sure the resolution is set to 2K so we get the highest quality possible. As for the color transfer, I'll come back to that later. Now, instead of spending minutes typing out a massive prompt to explain complex lighting, we are going to use the presets. If you click the Presets button, it opens up the preset library. You can see different categories here, like mood, styles, and camera. Soul 2.0 ships with 20 curated style presets. These aren't just filters, they're fully trained aesthetic directions. For this test, I'm going to select the Warm Ambient preset. Because this preset already handles the golden lighting, the deep shadows, and that soft cinematic atmosphere, I don't need to overcomplicate my text prompt. I'm simply going to ask for a high-end editorial portrait of a captivating young woman in an elegant dress. The preset will take care of the visual mood. Everything is set, so let's hit generate. And here's the result. As you can see, the Warm Ambient preset perfectly captured that rich, moody lighting and soft cinematic atmosphere. The detailed skin texture, the elegant drape of the silk dress, and the completely natural composition make this look like a genuine high-end editorial photograph rather than an AI generation. Let's do one more quick example just to show how drastically a different preset can change the entire mood. This time, I'll select the Siren preset from the menu. I want to keep the same type of captivating character, but I'll change the environment in my prompt to a misty, dark lake at twilight with a mysterious atmosphere. Let's hit generate. And looking at this result, the Siren preset flawlessly delivers that dark, enchanting aesthetic, effortlessly handling the complex water reflections and moody lighting to create a striking cinematic image. Up until now, we've been generating individual standalone images, but if you're trying to tell a continuous story, run a virtual influencer account, or build a brand campaign, the biggest challenge with AI is usually keeping the face consistent. You often get a slightly different person every time. That's exactly what Soul ID solves. It allows you to train the model on a specific face, essentially locking in that identity, so you can place the exact same person into completely different scenarios, outfits, and lighting setups without losing their likeness. To set this up, look at the bottom control bar again. Right next to the Preset button, you'll see the Character menu. Go ahead and click that. A menu will pop up showing any characters you've already trained. Since we're starting fresh, click the Create Character button. This takes you to the Character Creation dashboard. The large central area is designated for uploading your reference photos. For the best results, the platform recommends uploading a wide variety of angles, close-ups, side profiles, different expressions, and lighting conditions, so the model truly understands the subject's facial structure. You can actually upload up to 80 photos here. Generally speaking, the more high-quality, varied data you provide, the more accurate and flexible your final character will be across different generations. Over on the right sidebar, you have a simple input field to name your character. For this demonstration, let's name her Marie. Once your photos are selected and the name is set, just hit the black Create button at the bottom right to begin the training process. Once the character is ready, we can head back to the main Soul 2.0 workspace. Now, when you click that character menu again, you will see Marie listed there. Simply select her to lock in that identity. From here, the workflow is exactly the same as before. Just choose any desired preset, like Editorial Street, type your prompt for the scene, and hit Generate. The AI will now apply that specific aesthetic while keeping Marie's face perfectly consistent. Alright, let's push this even further and completely change the mood to see how well the character holds up under totally different lighting. I'll keep Marie selected as our Soul ID character, but this time I'm changing the preset to Theatrical Light. Let's hit Generate. And looking at the result, the consistency is incredibly impressive. The model perfectly preserved Marie's facial structure and identity, while the Theatrical Light preset wrapped her in these rich, dramatic shadows and high contrast studio lighting. Now, let me show you something really cool. Soul Hex Color Transfer. This feature lets you extract the exact color palette from any photo and apply it directly to your Soul 2.0 generations. You'll see the Color Transfer button in the bottom control bar. Click on it, upload any reference image, and Soul automatically pulls out the Hex color palette. It even gives it a name. Once you save it, every generation you make will follow that precise color direction. No guessing, no manual color matching, just precise, repeatable color control. And here's one of the most powerful features for content creators, Instadump. This lets you take your photos, choose a style pack, and generate up to 15 photos across different styles in one shot. It's essentially a full content drop from a single upload. The process is simple. First, you choose a pack. You can see there are different themed packs available like Winter Special, Aura Farming, Looks Maxing, 2000s Nostalgia, and more. Then you upload your photo, hit Generate, and the platform creates a full set of styled images based on that pack. One character, instant variety. Perfect for social media content drops or building out a visual portfolio quickly. Now, here's where Soul 2.0 becomes even more powerful as a creative foundation. One of the key ideas behind this model is that it's designed to be the starting point of your workflow, not the end. You generate a visually strong, aesthetically solid base image in Soul 2.0, and then you bring it into Nano Banana for further editing and refinement. And Soul 2.0 is still growing. One exciting feature coming soon is Mood Board. This will let you upload up to 10 photos to train your own fully custom style preset and apply it to any generation. Your personal visual taste turned into a reusable creative tool. Alright, to sum things up, Higgsfield Soul 2.0 isn't just another standard AI image generator. It's a complete creative tool that gives you real control over aesthetics, lighting, and style. With features like Soul Hex for precise color control, Instadump for instant content drops, and Soul ID for consistent character work, plus the ability to use all of this as a foundation for the Nano Banana workflow, it's built for creators who actually care about the look and feel of their content. If you want to test out the capabilities of Soul 2.0 for yourself, you will find all the necessary links to the platform down in the video description, and I've also pinned them in the top comment. Let me know down in the comments which preset was your favorite and what kind of visuals you plan to create with this model. Also, please don't forget to drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future AI tools and updates. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.